Dear students, welcome to my class. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. So, my dear students of class 8, let's start our today's class. From this class, you are going to learn about dialogue and a dialogue about bad effects of smoking. So, now what is dialogue? Dialogue is a conversation that takes place between two or more people or characters. So, dialogue is a communication between two or more people and characters. Quotation marks are used to identify dialogue in written works. So, in a dialogue, quotation marks are very important. Every person or character should have his or her own voice. So, every person or character has their own opinion. Dear students, now you are going to see some images related to our today's topic. Please have a look. So, I hope by watching these images, you were able to guess the name of our today's dialogue, and the name of our today's dialogue is The Bad Effects of Smoking. So, here you can see a dialogue between Anik and Anis about the bad effects of smoking. Anik and Anis are two good friends. So now they are talking or discussing about the bad effects of smoking. The first line of the dialogue, Anik, hello Anis, how are you? Anik is asking to Anis, how is he? Next line, Anis, I am not well. I have been suffering from illness. Now Anis is answering that he is not well. Actually, his health condition is not good. He is suffering from illness since few days. Next line. I heard you have become a chain smoker. So here the word chain smoker is a person who is very much addicted with something which is not good for health. So here the person Anis is addicted with smoking. Smoking may be one of the major reasons for your illness. So here Anik is supposing that the main reason of Anik's illness is smoking. Now the next line, Anik. Doctor has also said so. So now Anis is also agreed with Anik's opinion that doctor has also told him that the main reason of his illness is smoking. Now the next line. Anik, why don't you give up smoking? Don't you know the dangers of smoking? So now Anik is suggesting Anis that he should give up smoking because smoking has many dangerous effects. Actually, smoking is the main reason of many complex and fatal diseases. Now, the next line. Anis, I tried to give it up, but I could not. So here, Anis is answering that it is not like that. He never tried to give up smoking. He tried to give it up a lot, but he failed to do this. Now, Anik, If you had thought seriously about its bad effects, you would not have smoked anymore. So here, Anik is telling Anis that it is a serious problem and smoking is also responsible for different complex diseases. And if you learn about the harmful effects of smoking, you would never smoke anymore. So any person who actually learn about the bad effects of smoking, then it is became difficult for him to smoke anymore. Now the next line, Anis. How is it harmful? So here Anis is showing his interest to know about the dangerous effects of smoking. So here Anis is actually wants to know about the bad effects or harmful effects of smoking. Next slide. Anik. Smoking causes many fatal diseases. It causes cancer, heart attack, chronic bronchitis, etc. Besides, it also very expensive. So we all know that the products of smoking are very expensive. So if anyone wants to smoke, then he has to spend a lot of money for it. And it also responsible for many fatal diseases like cancer, heart attack, chronic bronchitis, etc. Now the next slide. Anis, is there anything good about smoking? We all know that Anis is a chain smoker. So actually he wants to know about the good effects of smoking. So here Anis is asking a question to Anik that if there is anything good about smoking. Now the next line. Anik, of course not. Nobody can put any argument in favor of smoking. Now Anik is answering that there is nothing good about smoking. Smoking can only harmful. It only has the bad or dangerous effects. No one can give any reason in favor of smoking. Now the next line. Anis, well, within a short time I will give up smoking. So now Anis is aware about the bad effects of smoking and how it could be dangerous for his health. So now Anis is promising to Anik that within a very short time he will give up smoking. Now the next line, Anik, thank you. The sooner you give it up, the better it will be for you. So in this line, Anik becomes very happy when Anis assures him that he will give up smoking very soon. Anik added that it will be better for his health if he gives up smoking. And he says, thank you Anis for your right decision. Anis, you are most welcome. So my dear students, that's all for my today's class. I hope you will stay home and follow our classes regularly. Thank you.